filming.
Is that a camera?
Yeah.
Oh.
Right? Terrance, how excited are you?
Let's go, American Dream Mall, field trip, so excited. Ecstatic, actually.
We made it.
Look at all the little kids over there.
Bro. Hit a zoom, Cate.
Dread.
See you inside.
Did you write these questions?
Yeah.
I hope you have to walk back.
Hey, we're at American Dream at the Nickelodeon Center. Terrance, yay.
Let's go.
Loser. Collin, say hi. Bro, we're gonna get wristbands, yay. Woo! We decided to go to the trampoline park. We made it. I don't know how to hold this. We made it in to Ninja Kids over there. It's like a sky zone. Adri and Cate are on the tight ropes right now, the silk things. We're gonna play for a little bit. All right, I'm a little out of breath. I just got finished with the tight ropes. Cate's gonna do some parkour right now.
No, we actually
Go. Great dad, American Dream. Adri's over there. We're going down the slide. Gabe's going. Yeah, you do go face first.
God.
Alright, that was Gabe, go first. Oh my god. Gabe, go first.
3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Gabe, go.
Go. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, to end this off, we're gonna go play laser tag. Oh my god. I got this, film me.
We got this. Cate.